Hello viewers, this is A Kaushik. Now I am going to solve the mirror cube, the Sheng-Siu mirror cube. Here it is just like a normal 3x3 cube. It is having a center, 4 edges and 4 corners. And normally it is having all the 6 centers and all the number of edges and corners as if like a 3x3 cube, but the only difference is that each side of a piece are irregular. Each piece is of different size and different measurements. So after scrambling the cube, it looks like this. But if you solve the cube, you will see it will be looking like a normal 3x3. So in solving the cube, the first stage is to solve at least a one side of a cube, just like a 3x3, where you will be solving a one side or one color at one side. Here I mostly prefer the thinnest layer to solve first. Okay, see, this piece matches because this piece is a very thin one and we can identify anywhere in the cube they are. So first piece is here, it matched, but in the cube this piece should coincide with another center below, so just turn until it coincides. So see, it just fixed in the correct place. So now search for another edge piece which will be setting to it. So next one is this one, but it is not oriented correctly, so just turn it around. See here, you find the edge piece correct but does not satisfy the center, so just turn to the other side. So doesn't satisfy here but satisfies here, but it does disturbs the first edge, so just put it down and bring this down. Just turn it around. See, you see that this is not disturbed and you see an L shape which is fixed in correct places. Now search for another one. You see here, this piece is fixed at here and is the thin part. Just rotate it upwards. You see it fixed at this place too. Search for the last one. So it is here. Rotate it down, bring the piece out and put it in the original shape. Now come here. This piece must be fixed at here, as if like in a 3x3, just putting the edge at the original place. We just do the movement. See here, you got a cross and all the pieces are correctly placed. Now the thing is to fix up the edges. See here, this is the thin part in a wrong place, should be rotated to a correct place and should be fixed up. So bring this piece out and we have to put this piece at here because it will be fixed with this measurements. See here, it doesn't fix but it is in the correct place and must be oriented. So again pull it down, push it up. Now see, you see it did not orient, so just again do the same thing until it does so. Now it just fix it, push it up and put it normal. Now search for another one. See, this one is another piece, should be fixed at here, so just do the same thing. Yeah, the first time it just fixes up. The next pieces are here. This piece must be moved to here and this one at here. Just do the same thing that I have done before until you get the piece solved. See here, this one also got solved. Now the last piece, this doesn't match up, it just matched up. Yes, see, you find a side finished. This is the thinnest layer in the cube. Now you can understand the layer measurements are different in every strata. Now go here and now as if in a 3 by 3 cube you will be forming a T shape and you have to send this piece right or left. If you don't, in case of a 3 by 3 cube, we'll be having colors of center so that you can match this piece should be moving this side or that side. Now you have just turned the cube until it satisfies the center. See here, when I rotated the cube, it just satisfied. So this piece had to be moved at here. So using the algorithm, just solve it. All the algorithms will be written down in the description. Now the next piece, see this piece should be moved to here. So use the right algorithm. And this piece should be moved at here. Yeah, and the last piece should be moving here using the left algorithm. So now you successfully solve 2 layers, and coming to the last layer, it looks a very tricky part but easy. Just like a 3 by 3, you will be finding an L or a horizontal line or just the center. By using the algorithm F U R U inverse R inverse F inverse, you will be finding a cross. Just rotate it until it satisfies. See here, this piece satisfied, this doesn't, and this doesn't. So we know another algorithm F F U L R inverse F F L R inverse U F F. See, all the corners are not disturbed, but all the edges are fixed up in the correct places and are oriented good. Now we have to orient and fix these corner pieces in correct places. Now this piece should be moved to here, this one at here, this here, this at here. Now assume this one is correct and use the algorithm so that these 3 will be interchanging their positions. Now U R U inverse L U R inverse U L. So all the pieces interchange and one piece got fixed at correct place and got oriented good. Now come to the fix and place. Now use the algorithm again. U R U inverse L U inverse R inverse U L. See, again all the 3 are interchanged but not in a correct place. Now again use the same formula. U R U inverse L U R inverse U inverse L. You see that these 2 pieces are placed in the correct place and got oriented, and these 2 have to be arranged. To orient these pieces, we use an algorithm. It is very easy, and it is R inverse D inverse R D. R inverse D inverse R D. You have to use continuously until this piece got fixed and oriented good. Now this piece is oriented correctly, and about the usage of the formula, and rotate the upper layer until you get this unoriented piece here. Now use the formula again. Use this formula until you get. Rotate the cube till you solve. That's all. Solving the video is quite easy. I recommend you to learn how to solve a 3 by 3 before this solving a mirror cube. Thank you.